So, good day YouTube. Nakikita natin ngayon ang na-capture ni Lieutenant Sukirata na assault rifle galing sa mga NPA. This is the CZ 858, otherwise known as the Visor 58. It's made by CZ, as you can see from the logo. I-focus lang natin ng konti. It's in 7.62 by 39, but the mechanism of the CZ858 or VZ58 is different from your standard AK-47. As you can see, iba ang iba ang charging handle niya. Itong button na to, this one is a bolt hold open device, as you can see. It has a holding stock. Press lang siya pababa, and then mag-hold na siya like so. Surprisingly, the controls of the CZ858 is left-handed friendly. Ito yung off safe niya. Wait a minute. Ito yung off safe. Ito yung ito pala yung full automatic, semi-automatic, tapos on safe. Mas madali siyang gamitin for left-handed people like me. Yung rear sights niya, yan yung rear sight niya. Front sight post is hooded and also adjustable. There's a mounting for a bayonet lug, and then threaded, the muzzle is threaded. So yung magazine is not available at the moment, but from what I've researched on the internet, hindi compatible. The CZ858 and the AK-47's magazines are not compatible, only the ammunition. So as of the moment, we still don't know how to field strip this weapon. Pero this weapon will be turned over to the proper authorities in due time. So this is Sundalo Abel presenting the weapon captured from the communist rebels, the CZ858. Thank you and good day.